Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the Baffle seal kits for the Tiger. That'd be the AA5B. And we just had a bunch of them cut out by a laser water jet. And the nice thing about the water jet is how clean the edges are. So stay tuned. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So let's take a look at one of the one of the water jet edges, and you can see it's a nice flat cut. This is on piece number 1. The edges are 90 degrees and the baffle seal sticks out just a little bit, but it's a nice clean cut. Now we can compare that to a hand cut piece, and you'll see that there's a lot of difference in between the edges. As you can see there, the baffle seal sticks proud in places. The cuts are not 90 degrees to the parallel surface, to the flats, so there's a bevel to them. But and that's using all of our scissors and our razor knives, and that's about the best we can do. So the nice thing about the water jet cutout is how clean the edges are and how nice the pieces come out. And so there you go, that's the hand cut piece right there. And let's compare it to the water jet piece that's right below it. And as you can obviously see from the pictures, there's quite a bit of difference in the edges. So for those of you who will be ordering baffle seal kits, they're going to be coming nice straight cut now by the water jet. We had a whole bunch of them put out. They all come, as you saw, with the diagram, and all the pieces are numbered. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this information about the baffle seal kits for the Tiger useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.